Cash App questions. How much money can you really deposit? Hey everyone! Ever wonder if Cash App is just a virtual piggy bank for your spare change, or can it handle some serious deposits? Maybe you're a freelancer getting paid through the app, or you're finally selling those vintage sneakers online. Whatever the reason, knowing your deposit limits is key. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Cash App deposits and uncovering exactly how much you can throw in there. Now, Cash App is all about convenience. It's that digital wallet you can whip out to pay a friend for dinner or split a bill on the fly. But it can also be a central hub for managing your money, especially for younger generations who are increasingly ditching traditional banks. But with great convenience comes responsibility, and Cash App has limitations in place to prevent fraud and keep your hard-earned cash safe. So, let's get down to brass tacks. There are actually two main ways to add money to your Cash App: linking a bank account for free transfers or depositing physical cash at participating retailers. We'll break down the limits for each method. First up, bank transfers. This is the most common way to add funds, and the beauty is, there are no fees involved. Cash App partners with your bank to seamlessly move money between accounts. Here's where things get interesting. Cash App actually has two separate limits for bank transfers. Instant deposits. Need your money in a flash? Cash App offers instant deposits for a small fee. However, there's a catch. The maximum amount you can instantly deposit is $1,000. Think of it as a convenient option for smaller, urgent transfers. Standard deposits. This is your free option, and while it takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear in your Cash App balance, the limits are much higher. You can transfer a maximum of $7,500 per week and $15,000 per month. Not bad for a free service. Alright, now for those times when you have actual cash burning a hole in your pocket. Cash App lets you deposit physical bills at participating retailers. Think convenience stores like 7-Eleven or Walgreens. Here's the deal. Deposit limits. You can deposit anywhere between $5 and $500 in a single transaction. Weekly limits. The total amount you can deposit using this method is capped at $1,000 per week. Fees. There's a $1 fee attached to every in-store deposit, so keep that in mind when deciding if this method is right for you. Important note, these limits apply to your unverified Cash App account. If you go through the process of verifying your identity with Cash App, including providing your social security number, the deposit limits will increase significantly. We're talking $10,000 per week and $25,000 per month for standard bank transfers. Verifying your account is a free and secure process, and it unlocks a whole new level of functionality within Cash App. Beyond the limits, it's important to remember that these are the official limits set by Cash App. However, your bank may also have its own transfer limitations in place. Always check with your bank to ensure you're not exceeding their daily or weekly sending thresholds. Cash App on the go. So, there you have it. Whether you're a casual user or a business owner relying on Cash App for transactions, knowing your deposit limits is crucial. Remember, Cash App offers flexibility with both bank transfers and in-store deposits, but be mindful of the fees and limitations associated with each method. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.